With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, today's question is statement 1. There are 6 atoms of Mg4 unit cell of its crystal. Statement 2, Mg forms HCP lattice. Statement 3, packing fraction of Mg crystal is 0.74. Out of these statements, we have to find out which statements are correct and which are incorrect, and by finding it, we have to give the solution out of these 4 options. First of all, here, as we know that Mg forms HCP lattice. Hence, as the Mg forms HCP lattice, therefore effective number of atoms in this case, as we know that in HCP there are at the corner there are total 12 atoms present at the corner, and contribution of each atom is 1/6. As a result of this, the total number of atoms present at the corner is 2 in case of HCP. Now, second one, atoms present at base center, it is 2 and its contribution is 1/2, which comes to be 1, and atoms present within its volume, it is 3. Therefore, total number of atoms it comes to be 2 plus 1 plus 3, which comes to be 6. Hence, in Mg, the total number of atoms is 6. Hence, our first statement is correct. Now, move towards the second statement. Mg form HCP lattice. As we see here, Mg forms HCP lattice. Hence, the second statement is also correct. Now, moving towards third statement. Packing fraction of Mg crystal is 0.74. As we know that packing efficiency in case of HCP crystal lattice is 74%. Now, we have to find out packing fraction. We take it is in fraction. Therefore, packing fraction comes to be 74 divided by 100. It comes to be 0.74. Hence, as we see the third statement is also correct. Hence, as we see here, all statements are correct. Hence, our first option is correct answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.